This triangle is shaped with yarn overs at the beginning of each row. So on the right side, there's a yarn over at the beginning, but none at the end. And then on the wrong side, you'll start that row with a yarn over as well. So this is how to do a yarn over at the beginning of the row if you knit continental style. So you're just going to kind of put your needle up under that working yarn, and I like to hold it on my needle with my finger, and then I'm just going to start to knit across. So this is an increase right here, almost like you're making a mistake, but you're not. So let's scoot back here and I'll show you how to do one if you're an English style knitter. So don't laugh at me here. So I'm going to put my needle up underneath the yarn here, and I like to hold it with my finger again. And I'm going to put my needle through my first stitch here and just take the working yarn and wrap it around. And then I can continue to knit along. And so this right here is my yarn over, and that's an increase at the beginning of the row.